So like right now, not to cut you off, buddy, I'm standing here in your entryway, you know, when you come through the gate, right? And I'm looking at these tiles that have all turned white and it's peeling off. So basically what they did is these tiles are designed, they had a different sealer on it. So at some point in time, somebody was putting the sealer that I'm using on here. Well, the guy you hired 6 months ago didn't know what he's doing, and he went to this shiny crap. Well, he put it on top of a sealer. That's why it's kind of peeling up in here. And then eventually, and the only reason it's doing it in here faster because it's getting more water because all these plants in here. So, but that's why the stuff out front, yeah, it's getting a little wet, but it's not getting the watering it's getting in here. So my point is, eventually it all would have started to peel like this. It's just not made for outside. Never, ever, 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 ever is this stuff a good side out. You know, a good sealer for outside. It always peels and turns white like this. So, so. Bottom line is, it happened. We're over it. You found me now. We're going to get it right for you. It'll be really easy to clean in the future, too. So when it does start to get dirty again and water, starts to just, I'll be able to come back out, clean it real good, put more sealer, and it'll always stay looking perfect. All right? There's not. Only to replace them. And actually, I was just telling my guys to kind of go around it, but my stripper will melt that stuff off. So we're gonna avoid it. Drive around.